Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the NYX Diamonds in Ice Please palette. And they've been having this on sale for, like, I've seen it as low as $12, so I picked it up on sale. And we're going to play with it, see what we think about it, and do a look. And if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. I've already put my hair up. I've done my brows with the Joa brow pencil, and I prime my eyes with the Sigma eyeshadow base primer as usual. And we're just going to get into this palette. Alright, these don't have names, they have numbers, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to take my Rephr number 1 brush, and I'm going to go into this kind of tan color. And I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. Now I'm going to take the shade below it, kind of a light brown, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner as well as my outer crease. And I'm just using that same Rephr number 1 brush. Alright, now I'm going to take this deep brown and I'm going to put it in my outer corner just to deepen things up. Alright, now I'm going to take this kind of dark green shade. I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye. Alright, and now I'm going to take this kind of silvery, taupey shade. I think it's more of a silvery shade. Now I'm going to put that in my inner corner to lighten it up. Alright, I'm going to clean up my edges with a little bit of micellar water on my cotton round. Alright, now I'm taking the Hard Candy Smoothing Primer Balm. And I'm going to use that as my primer today. Now I'm taking the Alma Beauty Say What Foundation in Fair Lady T1C. And I'm using that for my foundation today. I'm going to take my Sigma multitasker brush to blend that out. So, how has everybody's Christmas shopping been going? I did a bunch of Christmas shopping today on Amazon and got a bunch of stuff for the kids. But we got to get our daughter a new iPhone, so we still got to do that. And then my son wants the PlayStation 5, which we already talked to him. He's going to have to wait till probably after Christmas to get it because it's sold out everywhere. I still got on some underwear and socks though, so I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral. I'm going to dot that on my under eyes. And I'm going to use my concealer brush to blend that out. I still have to decorate for Christmas. I haven't put up my tree or anything. I wanted to wait for my youngest daughter, but she's been at her mammy's house. So put on a little bit of my number 7 powder to set my concealer. I also had to go get my sweater because it's getting chilly out here. So I kind of feel like my voice is kind of shaky where I'm cold. I love this sweater. It's my favorite sweater. I got it it's just like a gray long sweater, but I got it at Walmart in Gatlinburg when we went like a year ago, and I love it. I wear it all the time. Alright, I'm going to take the Belgian Waffle palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take Batter right here. I'm going to use that as my bronzer. Alright, I'm taking my NARS Orgasm X palette, and I'm going to use this shade all the way to this side where my pinky is, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And now I'm taking the highlight in this palette, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face, starting with my cheekbones. Going over my brow, over the other brow, down my nose. Cupid's bow and chin. Alright, I think I'm just gonna do this dark brown on my lower lash line. Just kind of keep it simple. I'm going to take the ColourPop Crin Gel Liner in Sunnyvale. And I'm going to put that on my waterline. Now I'm going to take this light white kind of creamy shade and I'm going to put that in my inner corner for an inner corner highlight. Well, that's got some pink to it. Looks white, but there's like pink. Well, I guess I'll have to live with it. Oh, so I added a little bit of the gray shade that I have in my inner corner. I put it in my inner corner for my inner corner highlight. Kind of to deepen up a little bit because the pink was just kind of bam in your face. So I already did that. And now I'm going to hop off here. I'm going to put on some Thrive Cosmetics mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, now it's time for lips. I got this from Ulta. It's the KKW Beauty 5-piece mini lip liner set. It's got, looks like this. It's got Nude 1, Nude 1.5, Nude 2, 90s Style, and Classic Icon in here in little mini sizes. And I'm going to use the 90s Style one. And I'm going to line my lips with it. And I'm going to take the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Stone. And I'm going to throw that on my lips. Over top that lip liner. Oh yeah, I like that. And I'm taking the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And I'm going to spray my face. Alright, well this is the final look using the NYX Diamonds and Ice Please palette. And I really enjoyed using this palette. I think it has pretty colors. It has like some mauve tones and some pinks and lavenders that you can make kind of a mauve lavender look. It's got some blues, so you could do a blue look. It's got like it looks like a chunky gold up here at the top. It's kind of chunky, but I would have to play with that to see. But I really, really enjoyed, especially this shade, the white shade at the top, how it turned so pink. Like, that was a really pretty shade. I didn't necessarily need that shade for my inner corner, but I think it was really, really pretty. Everything blended well. Everything went on smooth, creamy. So I'm really excited, and I'm glad that I purchased this palette, definitely. And I'm really excited about these lip liners as well. I know I've heard a lot of good things about the lip liners, so I just wanted to get this to kind of try it out and see if I like them. So I'm really excited about having these as well. So I really enjoyed sitting down and doing this look for you guys. I hope you like it. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. And ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.